Interestingly for us, there still seems to be quite a lot of investment opportunities, but that's probably down to lot size. I think it's important to pick up this volume issue as to where this extra demand is coming from in the market. I think in the 8 years to 2012, 60–70% of investors in the Dutch market were Dutch. In the last 2 years, that's completely reversed, so 70% of investors are now overseas investors. And we have a lot of tenants in the market. I don't sense, particularly in the office sector or the industrial sector, that any of them are feeling materially different than they were 2 or 3 years ago. So I think that the recovery, as we talk about, is recovery in the sense there's a lot of demand, but has the fundamentals of the real estate equation really changed? That's at the top of the large level. I couldn't really talk about the residential market because we don't focus on that. But certainly, in the more stressed secondary office area where we're in, there's still plenty of opportunities, but there is now some competition, whereas 18 months, 2 years ago, there was no competition in many of those transactions.